Hey guys, welcome to See Before You Try, our visual FAQ on all of our services. So today we are going to talk about Polish to Platinum, which is our ingrown hair removal, and lightening treatment. A lot of you guys have been getting it over the last couple of months, and now we're going to show you a video. This video is of a client with her second treatment. So Polish to Platinum, where it is a bundle service where it combines our lightening treatment as well as hair removal. It can be done on the neck, bikini area, the full pubic area, the underarms, the inner thighs, the back of the neck, stomach, again, chin, and any area that you have hyperpigmentation, and it can be treated. It is a 4-step process, and in this 4-step process, the hair will be removed, the extractions will be done, the skin will be refined and smoothed with diamond microdermabrasion. A light strength lightening solution will be applied to the area afterwards to help with the healing process and to lighten up the entire pigmentation of the area. Immediately after the service, you will feel smoother. It will be lighter. It is not a painful service. It's more so of clients have said that they feel a warm sensation once the peeling solution is applied. You will achieve a more smoother, even skin tone, a lightened and brightened skin texture, as well as any ingrown hairs. Even if you have like persistent deep ingrown hairs, they will come out during the manual exfoliation process. And overall, this service leaves you more confident with your skin. Anywhere between 1 to 3 sessions, but you can get up to 6 depending on where you start. So if you have really dark hyperpigmentation through your thighs, you're going to make sure to do multiple sessions. Okay, you're going to make sure you wear it to the treatment. Light clothing, same thing as you do with your Brazilians, something that's freeing, something that's not tight. You want to keep the area nice and moisturized. We recommend using Pure because it is free of all fragrances, any additives. It will keep the area nice and moisturized. You will experience light peeling. Everything is softer, smoother, even after the first treatment. So if you would like to book this session, you can either call Mary or you can book and hit the link here where it says book on the little oval right here, or you can come into the spot and add this on to your new service. So thank you. We hope you like it, and we'll see you soon.